Hey guys, welcome to the 2017 MCAT preparation merit or excellence question. This is question 23 in this series, and today we're going to be looking at this particular question here. This question popped up in 2016, guys, so I've just modified it a little bit. So what I would recommend is pause this video right now and try and work through the question by yourself, and then I'll go through the answer after that. Okay, so I'm assuming you've had a crack at this question. Now, obviously, I'm just going to write the question here first. We've got 5 times 2 to the power of p minus 2 has to be greater than 50. So the first thing we really want to be doing is, with index expression questions, is that you try and write the base as the same. But in this particular case, it's not going to be possible because you can't write 5 as 2 to the power of something, or 50 as 2 to the power of something, and that something being a whole number. But what I can do is I can rearrange things. So I'm going to get rid of the 5 first. So I'm going to have this as 2 to the power of p minus 2 is greater than 50, and because 5 is coming to the right hand side, it's divided by 5. So then we have 2 to the power of p minus 2 is greater than 10. And I guess this is where you kind of need to start thinking about, because p is a whole number, what are some of the values that you could potentially have. So the way I do this is I go 2 to the power of minus 2, 2 squared is 4, 2 cubed is equal to 8, 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. Now, I know that 10 is between 8 and 16, so it's somewhere between 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 4. So, for example, if I have 2 to the power of 3 and check that is it greater than 10, well, it's not, because I know that 2 to the power of 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8, so therefore it is not greater than 10. But if I take 2 to the power of 4, I know that that's equal to 16, and is 16 greater than 10? And I know that yes, it is. So that means p minus 2 has to be bigger than 4. Well, actually bigger than 3. But anyway, I'll just show you guys what I mean by it. So I write down p minus 2 has to be, well, you can do bigger than 4, not bigger than 4, bigger than 3. I'll show you guys, alright? Let's just do bigger than 3. So if I do p minus 2 has to be greater than 3, then p is greater than 3 plus 2, so p has to be bigger than 5. Okay? Because if you put p equals to 5, then this is what will happen. You'll get 2 to the power of 5 minus 2, which equals 2 to the power of 3, which equals 8. And of course 8 is not greater than 10, so therefore p can't be equal to 5. So anything above 5, it's going to work. And I'll show you, because if we have 2 to the power of 6 minus 2, then you're going to get that as 2 to the power of 4, which equals to 16, and 16 is greater than 10. So the final answer for this particular question, if it says if p is a whole number, for what values of p is this equation, then you say p has to be greater than 5, or you could also write it as p has to be greater than equal to 6. Another word you can say is p is, and if you're struggling with the symbols, then just write a statement, p is greater than 5. Cool, that's basically it for this little session, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, pop it in the comments below, or if you have any questions that you want answered, again, just put it in the comments. Early in the morning, just realized I said that twice. But anyway, yeah, feel free to share this video to your classmates, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and tune in tomorrow or later on today. If I get some more time, I'll make another video. Alright, thanks guys.